Hey everybody on the Pro Forum. So let me tell you this fun drone story that happened to me today. So I get this job. They call me up and what they want me to do is there's in South Louisiana all along the intercoastal there's these locks where these locks they close them for hurricanes. And it's a big deal because they spend billions and billions of dollars and it's very political. So they need like a flyover of these locks. So I get out there in the middle of the water and the guy says, okay, there it is, go get it. So I was like, how do you propose I'm going to take off and land? And he says, oh no, I figured you'd throw it or something. And I'm like, no. And so I'm in this little bitty boat. And so I explained to him, look, takeoff is not the problem. Okay, I could put it on the top of your boat and we'll take off. But with this wind and all this metal and all this stuff that's going on, I have no idea how to land this thing. I said, worst case scenario, what you're gonna have to do is you're literally going to have to grab it out of the sky. And he's like, all right, I'll do that. I said, dude, you don't understand. When you're grabbing it out of the sky, when you fall over into the water, I mean, you're taking my bazillion-dollar drone with you. Oh, I'm not going to fall. I'm not going to. I'm like, all right. So I take off, literally off the top of his boat. He's this little canvas platform, probably, I don't know, 3 foot wide, about 4 foot. And I put the drone on top of the canopy and zoom, I'm up into the air. There's like 25, 30 mile an hour winds. The drone is barely moving because it's so strong of a wind out there in the middle of the water. And so I get it out there, I do the shot. While I'm out there, I am like, there's so many seagulls. I got shots, I got images of seagulls, shoom, 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 all around me. I mean, one of these things hits you, it is taking your $18,000 drone out the sky. So I got birds all over the place. Now it comes time to land this thing. And the wind is blowing. The drone is unstable because the wind is blowing like crazy. I have this guy bouncing like this on the front of a boat trying to land it into his hands. And so he's like this. I said, listen, when you got your hands on it, you say I got it and I'm going to power down. Okay. And so I'm flying it. Finally goes, got it! And I power down. And yes, the drone is still with me. But I figured you would get the biggest kick out of this because it's like, who in their right mind I would have never thought one day I would be in the middle of the water somewhere flying this flying camera into my hands, into someone's hands. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.